Hello, welcome to the pilot of Should You Microwaves Crap. I'm your host, Matthew McCarthy, and I'm going to be doing like a thing for me today. Like I'm gonna be microwaving 2 sandwiches in the microwave on high. Let's go. Sorry about the poor lighting. Makes you feel any better, the kitchen light will work. But anyway, so got sandwiches. Oops. Gonna need some plate. Hold on. So, wait, the plates are up here. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna unwrap them. And put them on the plate. So, yeah, hold on. So, here they are. There are my sandwiches. And as always, and for now, Hamilton Beach Microwave. Her name, Hannah. Let's open the door. Nice and clean inside. And put these sandwiches square in the middle. How long should I put that in there for? About, hold on. I'm gonna put you here. How long should I put that in there for? We'll go ahead and say 1 minute. Sorry about the poor elevation. It's just a pilot episode, so hopefully the actual episode will be better. The series will be better. Hopefully zoom in. Oh, sorry about my shaky hand. My prediction is that I'm going to flip one, and my prediction is that Hannah's going to screw and flip the sandwich up. It's happened to me before. There's no reason why it shouldn't happen again. So anyway, let's check it out. I'm going to choose a different spot. See me? See me? See me? Hold on. Because of the crap lighting. Oh, hey, you can kind of see me. Hello. Anyway. So, and those the thingies. So, yeah, this one's nice. Let's flip that. What do you think? Same minute? Same time? That's a really loud thud. Hurry! Ugh. Show another. Whoops. Hope can do it. I can do that. I can do that later. By later, I mean after I finish filming this episode. You know, this is really boring. Hoping that one of them would flip. At least slide. So, let's go check it out again. As you can see, we're normal again. Hello. Anyway, let's flip it over to Hannah. Release the Kraken. Just like pilot based off of. Oh. Well, it may not have flipped over, but it definitely did something. Cheese melted to the plate. I'm gonna go ahead and say, yeah, you should try it at home. Because you know if I can do it in my home microwave, you know it's a good idea. That's it for Mr. Microwave. I'm your host, Matthew McCarthy.